timtex.com.
We're testing the IBM Seer, a mobile phone application developed by IBM for Wimbledon 2009 to help people better navigate their way through their time at Wimbledon and to just provide information on everything that's going on in and around the grounds. The phone has a very accurate GPS, which means it knows where you are. It also has a digital compass, which means it knows what direction it's being pointed in. We've also plotted everything in Wimbledon, so all the toilets, the drinking fountains and all the courts, they're all plotted. We have their GPS locations, and what that essentially enables the application to do is read your environment. You can probably see that as I move around, it's picking up information. Play tennis, buses to Wimbledon, court 12, radio Wimbledon, so on. Everything that's in the ground is plotted on this phone, and as I move around, it's showing me where they are. It also shows me how far away they are, and also contains live data feeds telling me what's happening there at any given moment. So for example, if I wanted something to eat, I could move over to the long bar. It would tell me that there's kind of drinks available there, that they're serving pims, and that the queues aren't too long at this given moment. The other thing we've enabled you to do is actually to search within this. So if I wanted to, for example, as you can see, there's quite a lot of information. What this enables you to do is actually refine that searching. So that if I just want to look at restaurants and bars, fingers are too fat. There we go, restaurants and bars. Click back on menu, go back to camera view. Now it only shows me. So there's the Orangi Food Court, general information on the Orangi Food Court, which will include the sorts of food it serves and so on, and how far away it is. Now look at the Renshaw, which is 142 metres in that direction. The Long Bar, which is a Wingfield restaurant. Just loads of different stuff, and you can search through anything. Of course, you can go back for all and just view everything, which means you just sort of essentially get an unadulterated view of everything available at Wimbledon. We've also got map mode, which enables you to know or to find where you are exactly. So you can see me there. Sorry, no, that's not me. Which allows you to navigate through the use of a map. So I can now see what's going on at these various points. A bandstand, I can see what that is, a museum shop, and so on and so forth. I can again filter this information, so that if I want to just look for sort of transport links, say, I go back. Imagine I want to leave. I can click there, and it'll give me information on taxis and the buses that leave from there. It'll also give me information on what's happening with travel, so if there are any kind of tubes down, or if there's any problems with taxi queues or anything like that, it will give me all that information. There's also a timeline which brings in information as it happens, so taxi stand north, queues are dispersed, 10-minute wait. That's kind of non-location specific, so that just brings in information as it happens. You can get, it just means you get an overview of what's happening in the ground at any given moment. And that's about it. Back to camera mode. We're looking at transport now, so it's just taxi stand north, bus stop A. Switch everything back on. Ring of volume. And there we are. Everything you could wish to know about Wimbledon as it happens.